fast you hit that downhill corner was godly.
Oh, really? Huh.
Did it even feel sketchy?
Not really.
Dude, you were going so fast and then you started turning and the quad started leaning like this way a bit. And then you just hung your butt off and it was just drifting the entire downside.
Yep. That was fun. That was a good lap.
That was a really good lap.
This thing runs right just long enough for a lap.
You think it's a cooling issue?
What?
You think it's a cooling issue?
Because the radiator fan's not even on. It's not hot.
You think the engine just needs a tune-up?
I'm almost certain it's a fueling issue. Because it's also worse after you go over jumps and stuff.
Oh. All right, so now we're gonna see how many times Ethan has to touch a tire going around the track. And we're off. There's one touch. Nice. Yeah, 2 touches. Not bad. If he gets under 10, that's really impressive. Oh, there's 3. I think I was technically 4. Yeah. 5. All right, landing the jump. I don't think that one even counts. 6. 7. Yes! Yeah, keep it up! Yeah! 8. Here we go. Hard in the smooth sand, it looks like. Well, I was just switching sides. Does that count? I don't know. Let's say 9. We're up again. Yeah. Nice and easy when you're actually cornering. 10. We're double digits. I think this got a lot harder once we put taller tires on the front too. Less leverage. Ooh, 11. Nice. Ooh, almost have 2 trees so far. Oh yeah, over that jump, no problem. You might be able to get the rest of the track from here. Oh yes. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Epic.
Oh, that's exhausting.
You only touched 11 times. That was sick.
I could probably, I mean, except that it's exhausting, I could probably do it a lot less.
Yeah, there's a few times where you just kind of like barely
Skimmed it.
touched.
Yeah, those are
like,
the ones I could, like there was at least 3 of those that I could have easily eliminated.
Yeah, that was awesome. Especially this last send, you had it up all the way across the driveway, all the way up here, this whole corner. When you were cornering is when it was easy. It's when you had to turn kind of the opposite way.
I started by like just I started going this way, which was kind of dumb because the first whole half is all the left corner.
Yeah.
And I was just trying to hold it up the whole way.
I think when you switch sides, that shouldn't count.
As dropping it, yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. Oh, well, that was fun.
That was awesome.
Yeah, it looked like, for a minute, it looked like you were going over when you came past these couple trees.
And there was a few trees that you almost touched with your floating tire.
Yeah.
That looked
Oh, yeah, there was a
awesome.
few.
That
It
was
like
super
that close.
cool. Yeah.